Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can export stuff as a transparent image on Photoshop. So go to file and then select export. You can quick export as PNG here, and I'm just going to type transparent. You can also export it this way, so file, export, and then export as, and then you're going to select the PNG format and you're going to enable the transparency on so that the background is transparent, and then select export. So those are the two ways to export an image as like a transparent image on Adobe Photoshop. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.